Markup problem. So if the wholesale price of an item is $65 and the markup is 50%, what is the retail price of the item? So let's go ahead and circle our numbers and underline our question. What is the retail price? So a couple of those words you might be wondering, what does that mean? So the wholesale price means what did I, as Target or Walmart or Meijer, what did I pay for that item? And then the retail price is what do I sell it for to my customers, to you, to mom, to dad, to grandma, to grandpa. What are you paying for the item? So we want to go ahead and set up our rectangles. So we have our 100%, our 0%, and our original price. And I like to start with my percent, so I'm going to put my 50% right here in the middle. And the original price is the original price that I paid for the item. So I originally paid $65 for it. And then I want to see how much more am I going to tack on top to get the customer to pay for it. So we go ahead and we transfer this to our percent proportion. We have X on top on the left, 65 is underneath of it. On our rectangles to the right, we've got 100 on the bottom and 50 on top. So then we will go ahead and do our cross multiplication. 65 times 50 equals 100 times X. So we're going to do 65 times 50 and get 3,250 equals 100X. Remember, this is 100 times X, so to get rid of it, we have to divide. And we'll get 3,250 equals X. So then we need to ask ourselves, what is the question we're trying to answer? And we're trying to answer, what are we selling the item for? What are we selling it to Mr. Joe on the street? So would $32.50 make sense for that's what we're selling it for if we bought it for $65? That doesn't make sense. We need to include the cost we paid. And if you look in your notes from lesson 3, you'll see that a markup means that we pay more than the original price. So if we paid $65, we should expect to pay more than that when we're selling it to a customer. So then we're going to add that $32.50 we're marking it up by. And the total price that we're going to sell it for is going to be $97.50. So that answers our question here. That is what we are going to sell the item for.